Number 1. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, here's a Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon from 1987 out of Parkersburg, West Virginia. It's available for $10,000. Under the hood is a 305 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 72,263 miles, but the seller notes the actual mileage is unknown. The gold exterior is currently wrapped in a removable wood grain vinyl with flames. The car features 5% window tint, including the windshield, light-emitting diode headlights, and a billet grille. The Caprice rides on air suspension with a compressor and drop spindles. New brakes have been installed, along with 20-inch Coys wheels wrapped in fresh Ironman 245/35/20 tires. The exhaust system features a Flowmaster muffler exiting at the rear axle. Inside the beige interior, you'll find power windows and power locks, and there's an auxiliary airline in the rear cargo area. The seller is upfront about a few issues. The clock is always on, the fuel tank leaks when full and needs replacement. The headliner needs to be replaced, and there are cracks in the dashboard. The wipers don't work either. The $10,000 price is firm, not a penny less. Sale is through Grand Touring Pre-Owned Auto Sales Limited Liability Company.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1975 Cadillac Deville two-door from Sayville, New York. Asking $5,000, but the price is negotiable, you'll get a Cadillac with 58,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, a blue interior, and a white exterior. This car is driven almost every day and handles great on the road. Recently, the brake pads, rotors, calipers, and wheel bearings were replaced. The cooling system and rear fuel line have been updated. The tires are in great shape and the heater works. The body has no major rust issues. While it needs a paint job and some body work, it still looks very decent. There are a couple of things to note. The AC compressor clutch seized up and had to be disconnected. The exhaust manifold has a minor leak, which is audible when the engine is cold, but the noise clears up once it's warmed up. Despite these issues, the owner still takes it on long trips. Cash payment is preferred, but trades might be considered for trailers 20 feet or longer, or classic cars and trucks. Number 3. Here's a classic 1955 Ford Thunderbird, a two-door convertible finished in green. This machine is located in Methuen, Massachusetts, and is available for $29,000. This Thunderbird received a complete restoration in 2014, with all the accompanying paperwork detailing the work performed. Number 4. This classic 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza model is available in King George, Virginia, with an asking price of $6,900. It has 77,000 miles on the odometer, and for a car that is 61 years old, it remains in solid condition. Inside, the immaculate black upholstery is complemented by excellent flooring, now equipped with new sound-deadening material, fresh backing, and new carpeting. The brown exterior looks good, and all lighting works. Under the hood, the engine runs great, and the automatic transmission shifts flawlessly, providing a smooth ride. The tires are like new, and the brakes do their job well. For those who appreciate modern conveniences, in a classic car, the original AM radio is in place, and a device has also been installed to play audio directly from your phone. As expected for a 1964 car, there are a couple of things worth noting. A dash overlay was installed due to a bit of rust around the ashtray, and one minor rust spot is visible behind the front passenger wheel. This Corvair offers a straightforward path to classic car ownership at an asking price of just $6,900.
Here's a video of the 63, I think it is. Might be a 62. Motor's running great. Very clean. Very little rust on this car. I mean, when I say very little, I mean very little. This is the inside. If I do this kind of fast, because they only give you 1 minute to get the, otherwise they won't post it. Little bit of rust right down there, and that's it on this car. It's a beautiful little car. Runs great, shifts great. All the lights work. AM radio don't work, but they've got it hooked up to this thing here. I guess it's a, I don't know, some kind of Bluetooth thing or something. So you listen to music over your phone.
Number 5. Take a look at this awesome chance to own a 1963 Ford Falcon going for $3,500 in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. This Falcon is a real 1963 survivor, meaning it has kept its original charm over the years. The car runs and drives like a champ, so it's ready to hit the road right away, or could be a great starting point for a restoration project. Pop the hood and you'll find it sports a manual transmission, and the odometer clocks in at 75,000 miles. Its exterior is a sharp blue, set off by a comfy brown interior. The clean title is in the seller's name, and ready to go. This Falcon's a no-nonsense deal. It's cash only, and you'll pick it up near St. Peter's Village. The seller says no holds and no trades, and won't be replying to "Is it available?" messages. This is your shot to get a classic on the road without spending an arm and a leg. Number 6. Introducing an Oldsmobile 98 from Massapequa Park, New York, priced at $7,800. This is a 1976 Oldsmobile 98 Regency sedan featuring an automatic transmission and sporting a subtle off-white finish. Since its current owner took possession, this car has been garage kept and only regularly hit the road on weekends, which has helped keep it in tip-top shape. The odometer on this classic sedan shows 82,000 miles. Thanks to a new brake booster, spark plugs, and ignition wires, the car drives smoothly and starts right up, delivering reliable performance on the road. Despite its age, this Oldsmobile handles well, allowing for enjoyable, leisurely cruises. As for a few items needing attention, for ideal summer comfort, a new AC compressor will be needed. Additionally, the driver's side door panel could use an update, as it shows a bit of wear and tear. The seller is looking to clear out some garage space and is open to offers. All reasonable offers will be considered. Number 7. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. Let's head over to Topsham, Maine, where a Ford Futura is up for grabs for $12,500. This sport coupe from 1968 is truly ready to hit the road. Under the Futura's hood, it sports a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The exterior is blue and the interior is black. It only has 68,000 miles on the clock. Number 8. Introducing a classic reimagined. Here's a 1977 Pontiac Phoenix from Walnut Cove, North Carolina. This ride can be yours for $15,000. What we have here is a rare 1977 Pontiac Phoenix with 123,700 miles on the clock. Its body is straight and clean, and the fresh satin black paint scores a solid 7 out of 10. The interior comes in a striking red, providing a nice contrast to the black exterior. Inside, you'll find reupholstered seats and a replaced headliner, giving the cabin a fresh look. Under the hood is the presumed original 305 engine, which runs like a top with no knocks or funny noises. The 350 automatic transmission was rebuilt just a few hundred miles ago. The car rides on Pontiac wheels, wrapped in brand new Cooper tires with white lettering. Also replaced were the rear main seal, the oil pan gasket, and the valve cover gaskets. Number 9. Step back in time with this 1973 Pontiac Ventura, available in Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, for $9,800 with the price negotiable. Keep in mind, the seller won't be entertaining lowball offers. This custom car, styled similarly to a Nova, features a blue exterior and a black interior. Under the hood, this Ventura is packing a Chevrolet drivetrain, a 350 cubic inch engine, and a 350 automatic transmission. Mileage is a mere 1,000 miles. The body looks very clean for its age, and the car is almost road ready. To fully get it on the road, it needs a headliner installed and the shifter linkage adjusted. The seller notes that while this car isn't flawless, it already boasts significant upgrades like the Chevrolet drivetrain and is in very clean condition for its age, needing just a few finishing touches. Number 10. Check out this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2-door, located in Highland, New York, and is offered for $14,900. This Vetta, with 100,000 miles on the odometer, has matching numbers and is powered by a small block engine. It's equipped with an automatic 4-speed transmission. The previous owner had it for 34 years and really babied it, which is evident in the car's condition. The body of this Corvette is painted green with a tan interior. It features T-tops and prominent side pipes. Upgrades include an Edelbrock carburetor, an air cleaner, and many other tweaks. The body was repainted about 20 years ago, and its condition, along with the paint job, is still rated as good. The car comes with a complete archive of receipts for every service performed, dating back to the late 80s and early 90s. This Vetta is ready to hit the road. Just turn the key and it goes. The car has plenty of power. While it might need a few minor touch-ups, overall, it's a great driver. The $14,900 price tag is negotiable or best offer. Number 11. Uncover your next restoration project with this Chevrolet Corvette coupe from 1979, located in Clarence, New York. This ride is up for grabs at $14,250. Under the hood, this Vetta packs a real big block. No kidding! It's rocking Brodix heads, Hedman headers, and a beefy cam. This setup delivers some serious horsepower, making every cruise a thrill ride. Number 12. Looking for a classic off-road adventure or for cruising the blacktop? Up for grabs in Johnson City, New York is a 1965 Ford Galaxie two-door hardtop for $12,500. This turnkey hot rod packs a big block 390 cubic inch engine, a Hurst automatic transmission, and has 91,000 miles on the clock. The body, floors, frame, and trunk are all in excellent shape. The blue paint job rates an 8 out of 10, and the black interior looks clean. The Galaxie starts right up, drives, and handles great. All the chrome is in good order, and it's sporting chrome reverse wheels. Also included are 18-inch and 17-inch Riddler wheels with low-profile tires. An adapter will be needed to mount the Riddler wheels. The seller will consider trades for a Model A, hot rod coupes, or sedans, chop tops a plus, gassers, 1955 to 1957, Chevys, Vettes, older convertibles, newer Challengers or Camaros, lifted Jeeps, or old-school custom vans. Projects must start and run. No boats or bikes, please. Number 13. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1980 Chevrolet Z28, available in Syracuse, New York for $15,000 or best offer. The seller is firm on the price, stating it won't be lowered to $10,000. It's a cash-only deal, and trades are not being considered. This Z28 shows 24,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The car was given a complete repaint about 5 years ago, and it now sports a gray finish accented with gold metallic flakes. During the repaint process, the entire body was stripped down, and all imperfections were addressed, ensuring a solid foundation. Under the hood, a new 350 cubic inch engine was installed last year, though the owner notes that a few loose ends still need tying up. Number 14. Imagine the adventures that await you with this 1964 Ford Galaxie, available in Richmond, Virginia. Priced at $22,995 plus a $298 processing fee. This car features a classic white exterior and a vibrant red interior. Under the hood, you'll find the original 390 motor, paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 187,528 miles. Inside, it maintains its authentic period feel with the original AM radio and comfortable plush bench seating. The vehicle is in great overall condition, showcasing its original factory features. There are a couple of points to note. The AC is currently not functioning, and the motor for the convertible top also needs attention. The car is still undergoing our check-in process, so we recommend arranging a viewing appointment. For those interested, financing assistance is available through multiple credit unions and lenders. We accept various payment methods, including USAA, Navy Federal, other bank or credit union checks, and cash. Support with transport arrangements to all 50 states and internationally is also offered. Number 15. Check out this unique 1962 Ford Thunderbird, available for $20,000 in Manhasset, New York. This red convertible with a black interior has 46,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It's been a one-owner car for over 25 years and is in excellent condition, rated as a 3+ by classic car standards. The engine and transmission have been professionally rebuilt. A new stainless steel exhaust system, brakes, radiator, and refreshed front suspension components have been installed. The carburetor and convertible top mechanisms have also been rebuilt. All power windows, power brakes, and steering, as well as the power driver's seat, are in good working order. And, of course, it features the famous swing-away steering column. The body is absolutely free of dents and rust. There are a few items the new owner might want to address. The convertible top boot doesn't close completely. The top needs adjustment. The air conditioning needs servicing. The driver's seat and the top surface of the interior door panel need repair. The paint, while looking good from a distance, often called a 10-footer, has touch-ups and would benefit from professional paint correction. That said, considering similar 1,962 convertibles often sell for $22,500 to $28,000, our asking price of $20,000 is very reasonable. Number 16. Introducing this 1962 Chevrolet Impala hardtop, ready for its next chapter in York, Pennsylvania. This classic car, with 54,000 miles, can be yours for $16,500. Under the hood is a small block Chevrolet, which the seller assures us runs well. The Impala comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive. The exterior is painted green, and the interior is black. This provides a canvas for the next owner to add their own touches and complete the look to their liking. For this Impala to be completely road-ready, it will need an exhaust system installed and the interior finishing completed. Important note, the car has a clean title with no paperwork issues. By the way, the same seller also has another 1962 Impala in pieces, a so-called basket case, also with a clean title, which could be an interesting option for parts or as another project. Number 17. Up for sale is a 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe style line. This beauty is looking for its next owner in Jewett City, Connecticut, priced at $35,000. Under the hood, you'll find a Chevrolet small block V8, measuring 350 cubic inches, pumping out around 360 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and cherry bomb resonators. This Chevrolet has 40,000 miles on the odometer and is ready to hit the road. Inside, you'll be greeted by an interior finished in baby blue with white accents. Bel Air seats offer comfort akin to a living room couch. The dashboard is equipped with full digital gauges and sensors, while a modern head unit handles the tunes. The car also features a complete train horn kit with an onboard air compressor and color-changing underglow lighting. The body is painted Lincoln metallic white. Number 18. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. A 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe two-door from Pine Grove, Pennsylvania, priced at $22,000. Showing 48,812 miles, this Camaro, originally a V8 four-speed, now features an automatic transmission. Its exterior shines in 1996 Corvette torch red, contrasting with a black interior. Under the hood, there's a rebuilt 355 engine with a cam linked to a rebuilt 400 turbo automatic transmission with a reverse valve body and a 3500 stall converter. The rear axle is a 10-bolt posi with 3.73 gears and drum brakes, complemented by disc brakes up front. Everything is new or rebuilt, and it runs and drives great with a new wiring harness installed. The exterior showcases a front bumper delete and its fresh torch red paint. Inside, you'll find 1969 Camaro bucket seats. While its cowl tag is missing, the car is believed to be an original RS model. Number 19. Here's a classic 1955 Ford Thunderbird, a two-door convertible finished in green. This machine is located in Methuen, Massachusetts, and is available for $29,000. This Thunderbird received a complete restoration in 2014, with all the accompanying paperwork detailing the work performed. It features a 3-speed manual transmission giving you direct control. For cabin comfort, the car includes air conditioning and power windows. What's more, both a hard top and a soft top come with the vehicle. At nearly 70 years young, this Ford Thunderbird runs and drives like a dream. Its exterior appearance also looks awesome. The car is ready to hit the road and really shows off its great shape. Number 20. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala, a 9-passenger Bel Air station wagon, is located in Attica, Michigan, and is being offered for $29,500. This car originally hails from Georgia, meaning it's rust-free and provides a solid foundation for its next owner. Under the hood is a 283 engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. Both units were fully rebuilt just 3,000 miles ago. The car has matching numbers, confirming its authenticity. For improved stopping power, upgraded power disc brakes have been installed up front. Recent work also includes replacing all the door and window seals in the cabin, as well as a fresh blue paint job that matches the blue interior. This wagon shows 66,000 miles on the odometer, runs and drives beautifully, and is completely ready for the road. The seller is asking $29,500 for it and is open to offers. Number 21. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check out the 1972 Ford Mustang convertible located in Wayne, New Jersey. Sporting a red paint job with a black interior, this Mustang is being offered for $38,500. It has 89,588 miles on the odometer, and under the hood is a completely rebuilt 302 V8 engine with a ram air induction system paired with an FMX automatic transmission. It recently received brand new disc brakes on all 4 corners, giving you solid stopping power. It also got fresh wheels and tires, so it's not just a looker, it's a driver too. It handles confidently on the road without a hitch, running without any issues. As a nice bonus, the original wheels and steering wheel come with the car, giving you the option to choose your style. This Mustang blends classic lines with reliable, updated components, and it's ready to hit the road without any headaches. Number 22. Step back in time with this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, located in Schuylkill Haven, Pennsylvania. This vehicle is being offered for $38,500. This Camaro has just 5,754 miles. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch crate engine with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. It is paired with an M24 speed manual transmission equipped with a Hurst floor shifter. Out back, it features an open 10-bolt rear end with 3.08 gearing. On the outside, the car features a burnt orange paint job with black stripes. Inside, the cabin is all black with vinyl bucket seats. It has manual steering and brakes. For the driver, there are aftermarket temperature and oil pressure gauges, as well as an aftermarket stereo. Number 23. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion. In Denton, North Carolina, we've got a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, styled as a 442 model. This beauty is going for $42,499. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 cubic inch V8, pumping out 350 horsepower paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Putting the power to the pavement is a 3.55 Posey traction rear end. This Olds has undergone a full restoration. The body sports a high-class red paint job. The black interior has been completely redone from top to bottom, and the undercarriage is surprisingly spotless. Check out the details. The wheels, radiator support, and headers are powder-coated, and the tires are brand new. The chrome all around looks show quality. By the way, this car has been a regular trophy winner, cleaning up at every local show it's competed in. Since all the work was done, it's only clocked 300 miles. Frankly, building a ride to this caliber from the ground up would probably set you back more than what's being asked. Number 24. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1971 Chevrolet Malibu from Staten Island, New York. It's priced at $40,000. This particular Malibu is a 1971 Chevy Chevelle Sport model, not to be confused with a heavy Chevy. It boasts matching numbers and super low original mileage of just 43,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 307 Chevy small block engine paired with a 2-barrel carb and a smooth 350 automatic transmission. The car still has its original body panels and floors, reflecting a rock-solid foundation. The off-white interior has been spruced up with new door panels and carpeting. On the outside, the brown paint looks sharp with the new tires and rims. Driving is made comfortable with power steering, power disc brakes, and ice-cold air conditioning. And for convenience, it features a tilt wheel and an automatic trunk release. The seller says that it's gotten a bunch of new parts, and the car needs nothing, ready to fire right up and hit the road. Number 25. Introducing a classic reimagined. In Mount Wolf, Pennsylvania, a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is gearing up for its next chapter. This gray muscle car, listed for $42,000, has only put 1,000 miles on the odometer since it was built. It is completely street legal, and the owner has the title. Under the fiberglass front end and inside the black interior resides a 454 cubic inch engine bored out to 496. It comes equipped with aluminum heads, an 1150 cubic feet per minute Dominator carburetor, a K&N air filter, and an MSD ignition system. Number 26. With its automatic transmission and potential for restoration, this is the 1959 Buick LeSabre, located in Warren, Ohio, available for $45,000. This LeSabre stands out for its history. It has been with a single owner since 1959 and comes with both its original title and a duplicate, as well as registration documents covering the period from 1959 through the 1970s. The odometer shows 1,000 miles, presumably after an extensive overhaul. A significant frame-off restoration has already been completed. Number 27. Today, we've got a fantastic find, a 1965 Mercury Comet two-door coupe from Schenectady, New York. This beauty is available for $40,000, or your best reasonable offer. Under the white exterior with a red interior, you'll find a serious powerhouse setup. The heart is a 351 Windsor engine, stroked to 357 cubic inches, featuring airflow research heads and a Holley Sniper fuel injection system complete with its own Holley pump, filters, and regulator. Power is managed by a T5 manual transmission, sending drive to a 9-inch rear axle, equipped with Caltrac bars. This Comet handles business with a total cost involved front end, featuring 2-inch drop spindles and adjustable coilovers. Stopping power comes from Willwood brakes. The body is ready for action too. Custom subframe connectors strengthen the chassis, and the wheel wells were widened by 2 inches, fitting 18x8 wheels up front and 18x10 wheels in the rear. Originally from North Carolina, this car was restored about 10 years ago and has only covered 3,000 miles since. It remains very clean, top and bottom, and cruises smoothly at 65 miles per hour on the highway. For your listening pleasure, a modern radio is tucked away in the glove box, powering 6.5-inch speakers in the kick panels. Number 28. For sale is a 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe two-door located in Westbrook, Maine for $42,500. This Mustang starts right up and runs great, having been trouble-free for its owner for the past 4 years. Back in 2018, the engine and automatic transmission were completely rebuilt, providing peace of mind on the road. Under the hood, you'll find a fully rebuilt engine, and inside, a rocket tachometer has been installed, which wasn't on the original work order. The body is finished in a rich blue, and the interior is trimmed in black. The car has clocked 71,000 miles over its lifetime. Included with the car is a custom Covercraft cover to help keep it looking sharp. This Mustang is ready to hit the road for new adventures, showcasing its reliability. It has a few minor cosmetic blemishes, but these don't affect its core performance. The seller is not considering trades, focusing on a straight sale. Number 29. Check out this updated classic. You're looking at a 1956 Cadillac Deville Coupe two-door, up for grabs for $37,000 in West Islip, New York. The car's body got a full repaint, and all damaged or rusty metal parts were repaired without excessive body filler. The doors, hood, and trunk were removed and straightened out to ensure precise gaps. Some chrome pieces were replaced, while others were sent out for re-chroming.